about. So it's about galamsey moja gold de gumwa koswa. And can you imagine say fit apart from galamsey tuni gold chasing all over the place, you know. I saw the world ratings on minerals and this thing, and Ghana is rather floppy. Say amusi mu to gold no idea ama ye hu bida gold ni yen tu wo baby a mudi dwan ya sumbe on the friend is saying on the international way saying you are not doing well.
Yeah.
You are not doing well. And you know the earlier the John Mahama obetanase no omejai PR gimmicks any abanya Poladomatry will say abanya ye full of photographs ye nyina ha ne ntwa photo ye nyina ha na ye mfa bloggers indi echi. The earlier they stop that the better, and they have to govern. Sure, if they think say ye John Mahama say ebedu 2027 no wosika bia na 2028 wosika bia obeye nyoma ti say me decrease way me purchase ka we ama we say no. I told them that if you don't know Ghanaians, go and ask Kwame Nkrumah. Umani di yaw na say in the end no ube manu wiase nyina kora yaw no di no ni remfio obeto etia. Until they have to govern, and we have to push them to govern, because almost say nyoma ye ba ye ni ye bebre. Ye ma ye bebre. They come and they don't do anything. NDC goes on holidays. They go on holiday and they leave everything. They leave us in a pit. And by the time MPP beba ye be fruit pit na ye be do any no. Na Ghana oma san ko twan trachre Ghana for. Na Ghana oma san ba beji amai no. And so Ghana cannot move forward. What kind of situation na ye wo mo Ghana sa no? Enti yesre John Mahama, yesre no pa na mpacho MPP so yesre mo na. I was thinking say ye tribe leadership nintino enyoma be ko from kakra, but to the extent say ne wo ka say we say na why kra voice why kra na one fasa we no sa elections we and no so the normal formation nim within 2 months ya ne onye ni nyina free one, because we have up to September say then the best elections we will not be able to concentrate. Who is going to give us a directive on how on yen communication? Because from now to September, not just year 2027, if we are going to keep doing this, then Benny Beba back near Bema Ghanaians at yes, that this before Aqua try mama, they are buying yen. Until somebody must do something about. I don't know voice. I don't know if at this point I was say TikTok and ye mube come bomu na ye benya platform ba kwa mubie no, and then somebody must give it so that we can balance the conversation on TikTok. We cannot, nobody can just open they say now about now it's about to me, it's about JFK, it's about it cannot continue like that to September. We cannot afford to lose all this time. We cannot afford. Intime seremo. So mo beti me hu bibi na say Dr. Bawumia na money ne be kasa na say TikTok for no. So if you are able to gather about even 80% of them and put them on a platform and give them a direction as to how to balance the communication. Ya be kan ye party asem. But then this asem no so yen kankan. Seremo. Na ye hu nia ye be ye. Timi da wase me sereo.
Thank you, Mami, for that one. Finally, IQ then. We are going to the second phase of the conversation. It will be mainly about electricity, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia being vindicated, and then other matters. IQ, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, bro.
Yeah,
It will be what do you know to say?
Getting better.
Okay, great. Now you be can say was say your friend is Mahama his speech in your name sometimes yana inconveniences view. So when him say ko for around no woman a churo man.
Yeah.
Say your Mahama no churo. Inti woman churo man no woman there be deceive no. But they say go around with this people. Was it?
Won't you read through?
Yeah, sir. There be say if you are lazy, you got to go through before you come out. But the attorney say whatever they put it out there, no, he won't read it, and then he come out and read the same thing they did, whatever they wrote. And it's not there be an man basano. And you know, say normally we a leader now be in public now kasa. people are listening to you to hear something good from you, right? But you cannot come and stand up and make mistakes while you are speaking. What is your speech, you know? As a man for bed, because everybody watching out, everybody watching. So if you ask baby a show, it is a uba now ubeye bibi now as a man in a ugun anymore. So because just a simple thing you got to do, you got to go through process. So Emma as a debiano, ne ma wo lucky baby. Like I said, and see that they be the Africans not them. Just a simple thing about my why get credit, you know, they can. Okay, me found on to her. Sadia na cross so na wo ka bibi about we say your friend is saying insuo ne toilet ne near marketing we say normally no, it's not about say you doing big project, right? Sometimes no project do abey but na because you near ma bi wo ha wo say wo yema o manfo no e to say the wo kan insuo even insuo no class insuo ni ho a you can even do the borehole for them. What you say just a simple thing and nipa bi benya ne convenient say be ya wo hia obetimi ayusu obetimi assess so but aye there na enema bi say etimi ye problem so but obakwa akoya big project no wantimi anwie no wagya sika wo ho na enema nkedenketi nipa betimi assess no na no na akoya problem so enti aye there na wantimi ntu ye won say normally who ye leader you have to target enema nkedenketi a omanfo ni hia. So you will never do everybody access bibi to say market. So bibi to say a kwan bi anipa no befa so wanya so person wo hospital mpo be easy amano okọ na afu. Sa na mani nyina ba ya na yankofo no nhwe ho. Otini kosi hospital no was spending more money wo ho no wantimi anwie. Fine, we see here. But if you don't have money to complete that, and the na was okọ starting na with Jessica wo ho and then you waste money for nothing. So sa na mani nyina ya niam bi a e wo so wo hwe sa ade no. So officers you can don't do it. Because I won't start it, no one to me and you'll be bound to us. So and then the Ghana a friend is saying voice, who bet me in your projects, so many projects are uncompleted. Ubi about to us, and they just waste for money. But I didn't who bet me they are in show ama community. A woman say here, but if say won't mean you and us two says can you go 100 years, 30 years, you know. In fact, so be a minor. But can we use we ensure no and our toilet will be better me access a black community no. So in the end away your problem. And so be no akoye bibi kesi no was say me ye no the agidi at the end no on to me bibi to say your friend is say Kumasi highway was so akoye express I mean the one no crowd to me she cancel ni ho. Inti obekwa akobubu nkofo ne magu ebefo obi fie no watua ne ka. At the end, no, enko we baby are just wasting money for nothing. So, and you want to me dear money, yeah, pa. Okay, me don't know to hono. Me come any no. Bibi to say, we say communication, you know, and we say a big problem NPP for. So our communication director, whoever will come and lead it, and on one also musho, because here will be a ultimate casa. Or you're strategic, or you're energetic. It's not about say who you leader, no. Sometimes in many you have to create something to fit it and move forward. But who will be as a fine sometimes you know, and here gonna mean your day, mean blame because sometimes also you need money. What you say, any petty watch here, it was all who feed the warm. But say, let's say who create say Obi Nkoye Bibi. Now we need to get the best support to know. Anybody want to mean yet? Because Ghana and everything is about money, transportation, right? When you wait, I was saying, as a party in feeding, want to mean your so, and no see a problem. The year cousin in our see a show because communication, Sammy Jamfi, and you be on work out. And just a near the because in your man, it will maybe cry, maybe what the information be by say, a good father call baby one year, they want notifying call for, am I ever trained to say yes, I net yet. But Bibi can be ano, then call for follow no. So, what I say, a yes, people will believe him. It will chant from pa, Omobaba support no. But I ain't call for no. Sometimes, you know, I was say, ye ma sadian so ye, you must say, Ubia will nim casano your fact. But also, you have to put the person and say, Ubet me a ye, you man, because you see, yam fa ayase bene and shan a bank. yɛmfa ɛkɔm nhyɛ ne abɛn so ate aseɛ nti no all this no me say ahiago problem because they don't feed him well to support because adwuma no ɛnyɛ wo nkwa because wo hia journalist right wo hia bɔfo a wo create bibi kura wo de ade ne be ba abɔnten ama wo but if you can do that now where are you going who are plans you know but you need force to be a tired energy e de be yɛ adwuma so into one more years ade no one wo hia resources and you know it's not about anybody ebi a me met me about edu bibi say me face camera me nya adwuma ne ntimi nya nti it's not about say kasa e was say utimi ne sika gu akoko kasa nko a enya adwuma ba ye go no person o kire say oh ye de ade na hya wo nsa no nko a de was say eye adwuma da bi wo ba bodu na bonten abekasa about nobody will take it because was say we need blogger e ma blogger na e cross spread ade no ma we need bloggers e kasa ma we need journalists e kasa ma so how can you win election so it in any man they have to put it in place say ya ubetimi anya obi a wo ye energetic obi nso ankofo pen asem onim kasa so e obi akeka ne edi ne leader obi ade ne leader no anso ade na leader so bad nya adwuma bia nso na obi abetimi aye nti wo so mo hwe sa ade no na ade ba ko nso a mesere ne say sa na sa wo obi a candidate sell your candidate please and confirm bibia me bata obi because ubu obi hu fi a e be ya din say nipa no be back but I say who ye campaign who hwe sa ade no adenti na wo ankasa wo yonko ugu no hu fi nipa no so one part of you e do ugu say nipa no hu fi a future no obede no abe support what you say e minimum de kura people don't think say oh ade we na me ye no e be create problem so who feel say wo mpa nipa na say mo no problem unipa na wone no wo pese wo ton no on na wo so ton no because say anya unipa e be ye obi nipa so where are you going so enti I was so much as ade ne ye ade ne na akoso a even MPP for ye esua behavior bia we have to tell them straight away say wo mpe obi asem enya atenie so wo wa adwena pese odi ye bibia fa kan wa asem na wo pese wo kan man nkofo tene eno na nkofo hia who condemn obi a I mean how there who person obi to abama na who condemn obi there so I mean minim kwan after leader no tini intro who him say who ye campaign right for statement brabontin sire nkofo say oh yes remo obi en kan de obetimi aye ba won kan hwe nkire nkofo no ato agum I mean here there na wutimi de ade ni 6 of September who him say ade no so create problem why don't you do because who ye in tentem and two person cham say 3 months from that mode to any muntimi nya za ade no mfiri ho eni pe koto aba no wo ma na beto enti ye bibia tentem na asumdue mra because what the question September na the question say eni pa wo ma yi wo muti no the same people what you say enti wo ye ne tentem na watimi ayi niam bia afro no move forward but what the question e kire na e biti time so I think say na nyina na ye timi forward because I you know those me that
yo Ebusanfo I think that was the first round okay and this is the second round Eshi rado yo
ni packet 20 mama ni pa bebre akoma no atu ana the parliament house here the papa
yo aboto me ba Sebu Ebusanfo this is the second and final round okay and first thing and he said Dr. Mahmoud Baumia but obian meeting in Hawaii pamcho Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Ayɛka say there was a cabal and I think Crophobia or ECG that were actually working against whatever progress they wanted to make in ECG okay Ayɛka say no I mean people really I don't know badmouth him in the media. Say then Vice President Bekasa asemo kaya no on evidence bia blah 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 and as I say no he died down. And then Professor Ajimendria Joy News says there is a cabal in electricity sector determined to rip off Ghanaians. This is Professor Ajimendria talking today. Some makers asemo. Now, Ebusanfo say Ghana no. electricity born easy. Jokes aside. Yesterday, I bought 500 Ghana cedis. And I can tell you, say, this 500 Ghana cedis and dry, no, it will not take me up to the end of the week we are about to enter into. Right? And yes, I'm going to be fridge baku, TV no mean so, me need microwave, bulb, me laptop, any AC baku, AC in crisis, you know, uso kakra, I read them. But no, show musa, ukoda, na waso kakra, not to sleep. Because you want to save, maybe a current, now I say, whatever, prepaid no. But the way and manner in which prepaid no kono, it is not the 29% increment that they are telling us, frankly speaking. Because Senator 100 cedis, and it takes me, let's say, 5 days. It means on each day I'm spending 20 Ghana cedis. If you increase my bill by my charge by 20%, it takes 1 day off. How many days I can use it? Just say what I was using for 5 days, now I should use for 4 days. Here is the case, no. What I was using for 5 days, I now use over 2 days. It tells that it is something beyond 29%, even going to the 100%, 150%. Ghanaians are complaining. Afeina, yenu anomo, set up committees. So it means that Ghana there, we wait until the citizens start complaining. The government, especially NDC, they themselves are not able to quickly, like the way under MPP Baumia Beka say, there's a sabotage going on. Right? Second thing, they say, as I was saying, with the current Iran-Israel war, I think that's the Suez Canal or so. Iran is successfully closing it up. Fuel price all over the world. Okay? Dollar is going to shoot up. City is going to lose value. John Mahama has told Ghanaians, say, he does not believe in global factors. From 2020, COVID-19, through to the 2022, Russia invasion of Ukraine. John Mahama says that it was Akufo-Addo laziness and bad luck. Would you entertain any explanation coming from John Mahama, His Excellency, Sani Jemfi, Okujeto, and the others in the days ahead of us, when the barrel of oil, okay, is shooting up, when the dollar is increasing by the day and the city is losing value by the day? Would you tolerate any argument? And finally, all within 5 minutes of President for now, and sorry, so finally, what is the way forward for a new patriotic party? What can it be? Why? Okay, just state it and then we move. Because you have newcomers, let's start from them. Then I go across again. So let me go to Oheniba. Oheniba, 5 minutes. Good evening. Oheniba, Pacho. Oh, now I'm meeting. Why? All right. Sabzi, good evening.
Good evening. The voice. Boko there.
Yes, I don't want to answer.
I'm here.
That is what.
Michelle Busia for soon now.
Now,
for NDC for there, I think that let's give time some small time. Now, just as Ghana for there before, any of y'all name a friend saying pain. I don't got 12 but here in 2016. Those same things are almost started almost year now. It will push them back to position in 2028 because in some normal kind of positions on bound by the you know. And you don't beat me now. It's just a matter of time. Ghanaians will realize they just wanted power. Some normal kind of na sebi we be say any answer be. On the second issue, no, is concerning the NPP. No. You see, we have problem with the communicators. No. Look at the host of radio programs and television programs prior to the 2024 elections, which means we agenda setting host. And some of our panelists, NPP for number co-shows, they are not able to stamp the authority. They allow the host sometimes to intimidate them and to dictate for them what they should say. The reason why miracles are very so, popular, and so, what the way of communication is or back or platform, so he's prepared, he has the facts, and who hosting all my own intimidating. Look at the way he's dealing with the host, or and then Joy FM news file. Look at the way he was dealing with the host. Ultimately, communication for the NPP, we should be very, very prepared. Now, if there is going to be a platform where prominent issues are, and our blunders and NDC committee in governance, say facts are available, we circulate those facts to the communicators, so that when they go to platforms, communicate on behalf of the party, they will have the facts. Because if you have the facts, the host cannot bully you or intimidate you.